downtown Commons. Here would be the glass elevator from the original mall. Unfortunately, that's gone. The new elevator is right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's an indicator. These right here are new escalators. This is downtown Commons entrance.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna go do a little walk around of this courtyard. Rooftop pool for the Sawyer Hotel. They put all these new signs up. That is a Travelodge that went out of business. They're revamping the whole building now. This is parking for the Sawyer Hotel. We're inside the Sawyer Hotel now.
Going up.
Oh, these aren't even on independent service. And here's the main elevators. These escalators go down to the parking structure. They're all turned off. That elevator goes down to the street right down there, as well as the parking structure. And out there goes the K Street. So Kone is doing the elevators and escalators here. They just delivered them a couple weeks ago. There they are right there. Little ramp right here before they build an actual one. Not sure the future of these elevators. I think they're gonna be here for a long time. Alright, so they removed the old Downtown Plaza sign from this overhang. Those are the places that are going to be there. Look at this. These are the original Montgomery escalators from the mall. They are gutting them. All the handrails are gone on this one. Look at that. It's original motors. Imperial motor. Some hooligan threw popcorn on this one. Let's get it close up. Wow. There's all the brushes. And here is the mall. This is Macy's. That's the old entrance right there. And down there is the new entrance. Here's the New Century Theater's entrance. Brand new elevator. It isn't working yet though, unfortunately. There's a Panda Express. They're gonna need to do something about these. These aren't the nicest elevators.